Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Great British Pound today, because on the gold market, as you can see, it's really very flat action. Nothing to add to our recent analysis. On the Great British Pound, situation is more active since the new events happens around the Great British Pound. So you know that it's voting on the Theresa May Prime Ministry has happened recently in the Parliament, and she has got the support from the majority of the members. So that at least has brought some positive events in the chain of the negative background that we had previously on the Great British Pound, and that supports the market. From the technical point of view, guys, you can see our trading plan has completed perfectly. So we talked about this ABCD pattern on the weekly chart in our weekly report. And we said that probably the 125 area, it will be the one that could be used for taking the long position, because this is major weekly COP, and at least minor reaction will follow on it. Second is daily result. So we said we do not know how market will hit it, maybe on some volatility before the voting on the Brexit. But as a result, as you know, the Brexit voting has been cancelled, postponed, and that was light form of the actually voting failure. So anyway, despite of that, you can see market has dropped initially, but right now on at least some positive news from the Great Britain, you can see some pullback has started. So that is what we actually counted on. So on a daily chart, you can see market has hit the oversold there and right now shows the pullback, and it's coming to very strong resistance. It's 27 fib level, but also take a look at this natural support resistance line. So that's the level from which market really could start some pullback. And here you could act differently. In general, if you'll take a look at the shape of this price action, you could recognize here a kind of the engulfing pattern. So very fast move down and then very fast move up. This is type of the engulfing, and usually engulfing has the continuation after some minor retracement. So on the intraday charts, this engulfing usually takes the shape of some ABCD upward action. So on the hourly chart, that's kind of the pattern that could be formed. As you can see, this ABCD pattern. OP target stands at 27.85, and it coincides with the daily confidence resistance. 85 stands right around this area. So this will be potential destination of the retracement, the second leg of the retracement. But currently, it's really big question how market will turn to the upward continuation. Whether it will start upward action immediately. We keep in mind now at 127 area that actually could become the real barrier, and market could show the deeper pullback, or it will show, as I said, downward retracement first and upward action second. On an example of the hourly chart, you could see how the external driving factors, so that's kind of the political factors, change the normal technical price action. So following the form, shape of this pattern, you could recognize here the hand shoulders. Besides, this swing up was a reversal one, because you can see this swing up is greater than the previous swing down. And it means usually that after reversal swing, market should show the deep retracement. But as soon as news has been released on the Theresa May support, market jumps up immediately. So in this event has prevented the normal deeper retracement here. That's why now it's a big question whether this retracement will happen or not. So how could you act in the current circumstances? For aggressive traders, you could use retracement from this most recent swing with the stops slightly below the C point. If market will just show minor retracement here but hold this ABCD pattern valid, upward action could be reestablished right to the OP. If market will drop below the C point, it will mean that deep retracement will start, and in this case we need to watch for 25.56 some deep support, maybe some patterns will be formed here. So this is the second scenario that could follow from this price behavior. So if you're active trader, you have the aggressive approach to the market. So you could trying to take position here. If you're conservative trader, it's better to wait because by technical picture, it suggests deep retracement should happen. So just choose what is more suitable to your personality, how it's better to trade this. But currently, reaction on the strong support there in the weekly COP daily oversold stands positive, and truly chance exists that market will show another upside leg to complete a kind of the A, B, C, D retracement here and on a daily chart.